In a very difficult budget year, I am very pleased to be able to present a balanced budget crafted to be fiscally and socially responsible, because we see the decisions made in Washington right now are neither. Erratic leadership in Washington has affected our economic outlook, our revenue projections, and even threatened federal funding for our most crucial services. That's why it's so important that this budget before us today maintains our commitments to the things we value.
At least we file our bills publicly instead of throwing them in a 3,500-page bill with 24 hours before we have to vote on it. So here we are at 9:45 or so on a Saturday night, about to pass a budget that we saw for the first time yesterday when we started work here in January on this. We have plenty left to do tonight. We're going to be here longer. The people of Illinois deserve so much better. I hate this for them. This is my 5th spring session, and I leave here each year sad for the state of Illinois and worried about my taxpayers, my schools, my nonprofits. This year won't be any different.
These fees are not absorbed by companies. Instead, they are paid by consumers. Illinois is supposed to implement what could be the most anti-consumer regressive tax package in years. We are looking at the highest delivery fees in the nation, stacked on top of the highest rideshare fees in the nation. These policies hit hardest those who live in grocery, pharmacy, healthcare, and transportation deserts, communities already struggling with access to basic needs.